Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. It's Tuesday, January 6, 2026. I will be trading Palantir, ticker PLTR, on the 1-minute chart. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. All right, let's recap. So this is the high of yesterday. It broke here. So it held here for this mini flag here. So it broke it. I thought I was gonna go retest this high here, but it failed. Maybe I was too aggressive too soon, but you think that because it didn't work, but I took the trade because it met my criteria, managed risk correctly, and exit where my plan said to exit. The market didn't give me follow through, and I accept that without fighting it. Today wasn't about being right. It was about being consistent. I'll review this later and show up tomorrow with the same rules. And remember, always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.